Create the perfect spooky bat wing eyeliner this Halloween using our Posh Beauty play pots. First, I'm using the play pot in shade Mango Tango. This is a nice orange for the Halloween season. I'm going to use a soft fluffy brush and I'm going to just fluff that onto my lid and my crease. I'm also going to take a pencil brush and fluff that underneath the lower lash line, smoking that out and meeting it up with the top. Next, I'm taking Jet Black. This is a very dark black eyeliner. It dries matte, so it's beautiful for every day. Also, it's great for this tutorial. We're going to create a wing back eyeliner. I'm marking a few dots just for placement, so I have a visual guide of where I want my eyeliner to be. And then after that, you're basically just playing connect the dots. And this is a great guide to help you with placement. And then sketching out a section from my crease out to the outer wing. And I'm just going to fill that in and clean up any of the lines and sharpen them if I need. Now you can see the bat shape coming together, and here's the liner completed. I'm going to do an inner corner just to add a little bit more intensity and a little bit of a lash, and we have our finished look. It's a super easy Halloween eye look you can do this Halloween. Shop the Haunted Hue Bundle and more multi-use play pots at shopposhbeauty.com.